In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your phone and email with Hubspot. This process is straightforward, but it's always helpful to have a guide to ensure everything goes smoothly. So grab your devices and let's dive right in. To start, open up your browser and head over to the Hubspot website. You'll find it at hubspot.com, which is the home page for all of HubSpot's software and tools. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't visited before. You'll notice a variety of options laid out, but for today our interest is in logging in. Now look towards the top of the page and there you should see the login button. Go ahead and click on this to proceed to the login page. Here you'll have to enter your credentials. It's important to ensure your email and password are correctly input to avoid any access issues. If you have forgotten your password, there's always a reset option available, which could be a lifesaver in a pinch. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is where you'll have access to all your personal settings and configurations. Next, we're going to navigate directly to the settings section. Look around for the settings gear icon. It's usually quite intuitive to spot, but if you have any trouble, it might be on the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to the settings panel. Once within the settings environment, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find various categories. Go ahead and click on email. This step is crucial for setting up and connecting your email account. On the email page, you'll now see an option that says Connect Personal Email. This is the button you'll need to click to link your email account to HubSpot. It's a seamless process and HubSpot will guide you through any additional steps like authenticating your email provider. With your email set up, let's shift gears to connect your phone number, a vital step to ensure you miss no critical updates or validations. Return to the settings page and instead this time select security. Security settings keep your account protected and here you'll be able to add a trusted phone number. In the security tab, look for the option that reads add a trusted phone number. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your phone number, which must be verified. A verification code will typically be sent via SMS, so make sure you have your phone at hand to complete this step efficiently. There you have it. Your phone and email are now both connected with HubSpot. Remember, staying updated with softwares like HubSpot ensures that you're using every tool at your disposal to make your workflow as seamless and efficient as possible. Thanks for joining me in setting it all up today, and I look forward to walking you through more tech guides in our future sessions.